Yes, today we will discuss about the microorganism, how they are beneficial, how they are harmful. Harmful, so we are going through it. है ना? How these microorganism, bacteria, algae, fungi, virus, how they help and how they are harm you, right? So we will discuss, first we will discuss the useful microorganism. Useful microorganisms, right? Write down the first point, making curd, making of curd. First point, making of curd, bread and food items. Making of bread, curd and food items. How they help in making curd. So first we will discuss the formation of curd. How curd is formed. All of you are aware, Hana, what we used to do, we will take a milk and then we will add a half spoon or the 1 spoon of the curd in it, right? And keep it in a separate place, right? In winters, we cover it properly, okay? Give warmth properly so that it will convert into curd. So what happened? Milk plus curd, right? Milk plus curd, then when you are adding curd in it, right, then milk become acidic. Milk become acidic. Why it becomes acidic? Because lactobacillus bacteria multiplies. Is it clear? Lactobacillus bacteria multiplies. Milk become acidic, then casein, casein. Casein is a protein that coagulates and curd formed. Casein as a protein that is CASE, right? It coagulates and curd is formed. Yani ki formation of curd is done. Protein. It is a protein that is present in milk. It clumps together and convert the milk into the curd, right? Write down the one sentence after that. Write down, please. Milk contain a sugar called lactose. Milk contain a sugar called lactose. LACTOSE. Milk contain a sugar called lactose. Lactobacillus bacteria beta while bacha. Lactobacillus bacteria present in curd lactobacillus bacteria present in curd help in converting By fermentation. I will tell you the definition of the fermentation also. Write down, and after that, sugar into, yes. Is it clear? Yes, Vacha? Yes. Here we can say that two questions can come like this. What is the, name the ingredient that is used in the baking industry? As we had written that the bread. Bread means the baking industry. Name the ingredient that is used in the baking industry and why? Yeast. Right? Yeast is used in making the breads or in the baking industry to make the cakes, breads and all these. Why we are using? What is happening? Sorry? How? Write down. Write down the question first. I am telling bache, after this, 2 points discuss and after that. Write down. Name the ingredient that is used in baking industry and why. Write down yeast. Answer yeast. Why answer? Why we are using yeast? Write down. It reproduces rapidly. It reproduces rapidly. It reproduces, wear mask. It reproduces rapidly. Okay? And carbon dioxide is produced. It reproduces rapidly and produced carbon dioxide, or you can write carbon dioxide is produced during respiration. It reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide rapidly during respiration. Bubbles of this gas, during respiration, bubbles of this gas fills the space in between the dough. Means when you are making anything like that cake banana and when you are preparing the dough for that one, okay? So what happen in that case? The bubbles of this gas fills the space in between the dough and increase its volume. DOUGH. Right? Fills the spaces in between the dough and increase its volume and makes it soft and fluffy. Why the cake soft and fluffy? Because carbon dioxide that releases during this, it makes the thing soft and the fluffy between the dough and increase its volume. Is it clear? Is it clear why we are using? In case of the, as we discussed yesterday also, like when we are preparing that idli and all that from the suji or rava, you can say, so we are making the eno and all that. Why so? Because it will also releases the gas and that fills the space in between them, the dough, in between the dough and makes it fluffy and soft and spongy. Write down the other one, other microorganism, how they are helpful. Under this point only, write down some algae like chlorella. Write down the arrow or the star you can put. Some algae like chlorella and seaweeds. What is seaweeds? What is seaweeds? We discussed. Algae. We discussed. Some algae like chlorella and seaweeds are used as food are used as food as these are rich source of proteins and minerals. Another point, agar, yes, to making jellies, yes, agar, a jelly-like substance obtained from red and brown, yes, obtained from red algae is used to make jellies and ice creams. Is it clear, beta? Second point, as we had discussed the making food items, now write down the second point, commercial use. Commercial use. On a large scale, we can say commercial use, but we can say large scale, how they are helping, how the microorganism they help us. Here is again, on the commercial scale, microorganisms are used in making alcohols, wine, acetic acid. So what we are using in that case? Yeast. So we can write down microorganism, put the yeast right in a bracket. Microorganisms, bracket में you can write yeast, is used to make alcohol, wine, is used to make alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Microorganism, yeast, is used to prepare, या used to make alcohols, wine and acetic acid. Vinegar, acetic acid. Right? Now write down again by the fermentation. Now write down the fermentation. Write down by fermentation. Now write down the definition of fermentation. The process of conversion of write down the definition beta fermentation ki. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol. Sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast. Alcohol by the action of yeast is called fermentation. The conversion of sugar into alcohol by the action of yeast is called fermentation. And do you know who discovered this fermentation? Who? Louis Pasteur. He discovered this fermentation. Pasteurization, yes. The terms that we already use, we know, but who discovered? Right? Right, beta? 2 points we discussed. Now write down the third point. Medicinal use. Write down third useful, medicinal use. It's okay, beta. I'm just writing. Medicinal use. Under this medicinal use, we will discuss the two main points, production of antibiotics and production of vaccine. Today, I am just going to discuss the production of antibiotics, right? Write down number A, you can write production of, under this medicinal use, production of antibiotics. What do you mean by antibiotics? All of you know the term that the antibiotics that we used. What do you mean, exact meaning? So medicine is also there, but what is antibiotics? What is the main role of? Yes, means no doubt we are taking the medicine and all that helps to or the kill. But antibiotics, that helps mainly, it helps to kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganism. So first write down the definition of antibiotics. Definition of antibiotics, write down the medicine antibiotics. पहले word देख लो, antibiotics, write down the medicine produced by living organism. The medicine produced by living organism such as bacteria and fungi. That means they help to prepare the medicine, right? Such as bacteria and fungi. The medicine produced by living organism such as bacteria and fungi, which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms in our body. The medicines produced by living organisms such as bacteria and fungi, which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganism in our bodies, these are called antibiotics. So antibiotics we used to take, but here the very important topic, at which time we have to take antibiotics. Who discovered these antibiotics? Write down the names of the antibiotics. Streptomycin, example. Streptomycin, erythromycin, tetracycline, these are the names of some of the antibiotics. Okay? Who discovered these antibiotics? Yeah, first antibiotics. Tetra, Tetracycline, right? First antibiotic was penicillin. Write down. Maybe I will. Who discovered it? First antibiotic was penicillin, which is prepared from by a fungus called Penicillium notatum. Penicillin, which was obtained by a fungus, underline this word fungus. कौन सा फंगस? Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. बताते हो. Right? Now, how and where they found this, like the penicillin? There is a storyline given in your book also at page number 20, a very small paragraph that is given how it discovered. Like in 1929, right? Scottish bacteriologist. He was working, his name was Sir Alexander Fleming. Sir Alexander Fleming was doing work in his lab, right? And he was working on a culture, bacteria culture, right? Culture means the solution that is taken in which the bacteria were there. He took a culture of bacteria, right? Staphylococci bacteria. He was working on the staphylococci bacteria, and suddenly he observed in a plate or in a petri dish where the culture was, right? Green color spores are present. Green color spores were present. So what he observed, these green spores, what they are doing, no doubt they were present over there, but they inhibit the growth of the bacteria in a particular plate. Suppose he prepared, you can say he was working on a staphylococci bacteria. He put the culture in the different petri dish or the plates. In one of the plate or the petri dish, he observed green pores. And he observed all the other plates, the growth of the bacteria is okay. But in that, where the green spores were present, it inhibits the growth of the bacteria. Not only, it also kills the bacteria. Stop karna. Inhibits means stop or kills the bacteria. It was a surprise for him. Surprisingly, he observed it. Right? Because he was doing one of the experiment, like the staphylococci bacteria, he was doing work on that in his lab. And in one of the petri dish, he observed the green spores, and he observed it. It inhibits the growth of the bacteria as well as kills it. From that one, this drug was prepared, penicillin. And he observed that green spores were of the fungus Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. Right? Penicillium notatum, the fungus, and from that fungus, the name or the drug was prepared, that is penicillin. Right? After that, we will discuss the next point.